And good evening. Starting tomorrow, Darrell Brooks will hear from the families and victims he forever changed. It's been nearly a year since he drove his SUV through Waukesha's Christmas parade, killing 6 people and hurting more than 60 others.
Well, dozens of people are expected to speak over the next 2 days before the judge hands down Brooks's punishment. And new at 6, TMJ4's Bruce Harrison, who has been covering this trial from day one, shows us what to expect in court.
Darrell Brooks grabbed all the attention in his homicide trial, an erratic defendant who failed as his own attorney.
Objection, speculative.
Overruled. At sentencing, for the first time in the trial, he will not be the focus.
In a case of this magnitude, when so many people were affected, this is the opportunity for the victims to express themselves.
Jonathan Lavoie is a criminal defense attorney closely following the Brooks trial.
Mr. Brooks' fate is sealed. He's going to serve the rest of his life in prison.
But not before hearing from parade victims and their families. 6 died in the Waukesha Christmas parade. Dozens more were injured. The district attorney's office says dozens will speak in person at sentencing, including children. Even more have submitted written statements to be read in court.
Is it uncommon for a judge to set aside 2 days for sentencing?
Yeah, this is an incredibly lengthy sentencing hearing, and that's a product of having 42 victims or victims' family want to speak. This is a significant case where a lot of people want to speak. It sounds like Mr. Brooks also has a number of people that might speak as well.
Brooks' mother and grandmother tell me they've requested to speak remotely over Zoom. Brooks' grandmother, Mary Darlene Edwards, shared her remarks for the court with me, which focus on raising awareness for mental health issues. And Darrell Brooks, he'll also have a chance to speak.
As a criminal defense attorney, if you were representing Mr. Brooks, what kind of advice would you give him going into sentencing?
Well, at this point, there's probably nothing he can do to change the outcome of the case, but he needs to talk about how his crimes affected others and not about himself. So I think he needs to look forward towards forgiveness and for acceptance of responsibility.
Brooks was convicted on 6 counts of intentional homicide. Each carries a mandatory life sentence. Judge Jennifer Doro has the discretion to allow eligibility for parole. She must also rule on the 70 other counts Brooks was found guilty of after the victims have their say in court. Reporting in Milwaukee, Bruce Harrison, TMJ4 News.
Again, Bruce will be in court bringing you updates, and TMJ4 News will have live streaming coverage of Brooks' sentencing starting tomorrow. You can scan the QR code right there on your screen to download our TMJ4 News app. We will send you alerts, and you can watch it right from your phone when the proceedings begin.